Welcome everyone. Today we are checking out the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle, a cutting-edge 8K 360 drone designed for immersive flight experiences with motion control and advanced tracking features. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this drone at the best price in the market. This drone truly raises the bar for what a consumer drone can do, starting with its incredible 8K 360 video capture that records every angle around you so you never miss a moment. Pair it with the anti-gravity vision goggles, and you're stepping into an immersive 360-degree flight where you control the view naturally, making it feel like you're part of the flight itself. The two intuitive control modes, free motion and FPV, allow anyone, from beginners to pros, to fly effortlessly, either by simply pointing or using wrist movements for precise maneuvers. What sets this drone apart is the ability to fly first, frame later, meaning the 360-degree capture ensures all angles are recorded, and you can reframe your footage anytime, which is perfect if you're experimenting or want cinematic shots without stress. Despite packing so many advanced features, the A1 remains ultra-lightweight at only 249 grams and folds down easily, making it portable and regulation-friendly almost everywhere. Features like deep track subject following, Genie's one-tap aerial moves, and the ability to create personalized flight paths make sharing and enjoying the drone experience easy and fun for friends or family. On the downside, while the drone is feature-rich, the price is higher than typical consumer drones, and fully unlocking some advanced moves may require software updates in the future. Battery life is decent, but for extended sessions, the bundle with 3 batteries is highly recommended. Overall, the Antigravity A1 Explorer Bundle is an investment in quality aerial cinematography and immersive flight fun. If you want to explore new perspectives, create professional-grade footage, and enjoy innovative flight features, don't forget to check the link in the description below to get your drone and experience its full potential for yourself.